How to add and set up email on the iPhone 16. So if you want to add or set up an email on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your settings application. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down and then go with the apps section. Once you're on your apps, you need to go with search and search for mail. Tap on it. From here, you need to go with mail account. Now tap on add account. And here you need to tap on choose from a list. And then you can choose your iCloud or your Microsoft Exchange account or your Google, Yahoo, AOL, or Outlook, or any other account. So if you want to set up an email account, then you just need to simply go and select Google. Once you tap on your Google, you need to tap on open browser. And this will take you to the sign in page of your Google. Once you're here, you need to enter your email address or your phone number. After that, go with next and then enter your password. And in this way, you'll be able to set up or add an email on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.